Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait, पंखा बंद करना पड़ेगा. Just give me a second. So guys, how are you? It's been long since we had that chatty video where you have seen my face. It wasn't intentional that I wasn't showing my face or something, but today especially I came for this talk and chit chat just to show my skin to you people. Okay, jokes apart, on the serious note, I just want to tell you people that I've started using homemade scrubs for my skin. See, I am like really not that person who would just do so much effort for skin, and that was my biggest mistake. But since I have came onto my senses, if that's the right sentence or word to pronounce, whatever. So the day I came to know that it is really necessary to take care of your skin, and especially during this quarantine, you are at home, you are getting ample of time, then why don't you take care of yourself? And I just came up with 5 kind of scrubs for you people especially, and it is for all skin types, not to worry. And they are so effective and they really do magic on your skin. And I'm not telling you this randomly, I'm just telling you it by my experience. I've been using homemade scrub for like 3 months now, and it is so effective. I'm just giving second thoughts about all the chemicals I put on my skin before that, using scrubs which are not organic at all. So if you already have that organic things around you, why should you jump into chemicals? Okay, so without wasting any further time and no more lecture, let's directly hop into my kitchen. Guys, I hope you really liked my video and hope this video turns out to be really helpful to people. And please do stay home, stay safe, take care of people around you, take care of yourself, and wish you all the health and happiness. Till then, bye bye. And yes, you know what to do. If you really like this video, you have to hit like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.